So students, today we will be discussing the test. You will have to answer one by one. Okay. So first is choose the correct option. Which method is used to separate heavier and lighter components? Who will answer? Jasmine Kaur 6th A. Yes. Answer it. Jasmine Kaur 6th A.
Winnowing.
Morning. Answer bolo.
Winnowing.
Hanji.
Winnowing.
Winnowing. Very right. Winnowing is the right answer. On which principle is distillation based? Evaporation, condensation, both 1 and 2, none. See?
Yes, ma'am. Both 1 and 2.
Yes, distillation is based on principle of evaporation as well as condensation. Both the processes are involved. The plants and animals that live on land are said to live in dash habitat. Aquatic, terrestrial, both, none. Lakshay. Lakshay. No response, Lakshay.
Ma'am, option B terrestrial.
Terrestrial, very right, terrestrial, right? Then comes, where was magnetite discovered first of all? Gorish. गौरिश का हाथ नीचे चला गया. Savya.
Ma'am, D, none.
None? No. Anyone else? Jasmine Kaur?
Good morning, ma'am. Answer is magnesia.
Right. Savya, correct karo. B part is the right answer, magnesia. Okay. Now, next is, which component of air is used by green plants to do photosynthesis? Chehek. Chehek is here. Chehek, would you like to answer? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. O2. Option.
Haji, you are not audible, Chehek. Network issues are there. Okay. Akshara. Akshara would like to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 5th MCQ का.
हाँ जी बच्चे, हम वही कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, B, CO2, carbon dioxide.
E नहीं, B ऑप्शन है. CO2, carbon dioxide, right? Next is answer the following short. How air is helpful to us? Bishav. Bishav. How air is helpful to us? Bishav is not responding. Okay, Saksham Samarth. Saksham Samarth.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, air is helpful to us in the following ways. Air help in moving the windmills, and windmills are used to draw water from tube wells. Air help in the movement of gliders, parachutes, and helicopters, etc.
Or
Air plays an important role in water cycle also.
right. और 4 points चाहिए हमें. Air help in dispersal of seeds. Air help in pollination. Right. Okay. Air help in rotating the windmills. Next question. What is self-demagnetization? Karthik. Karthik, कल आपका doubt भी था.
Ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए.
Yes,
यस मैम। मैम पहले आंसर दे दूं।
हाँ जी बोलिए।
मैम self demagnetization is the process in which magnets tend to become weaker if their poles are left free. For example, for horseshoe magnet, we should keep a bar across their poles.
यस, सेल्फ डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन क्या है? मैग्नेट्स दे लूज देयर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज when they are not kept properly, right? जब उनको properly रखा नहीं जाता, they themselves lose their properties. This is known as self demagnetization. To prevent self demagnetization, we have to keep the magnets in the magnetic keepers, right? Now Karthik, your doubt?
मैम मेरे को ना टेस्ट में जो थर्ड पार्ट का सेकंड क्वेश्चन है एंड फोर्थ पार्ट का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का बी पार्ट, मेरे को इन दोनों के आंसर्स कंफर्म करने थे।
वो हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ हो जाएगा, ठीक है? ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज हाउ डॉल्फिन्स ब्रीथ.
ओके मैम।
How dolphins breathe? Harmeet Singh will answer, I guess. How dolphins breathe? Harmeet Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
answer it.
Dolphins have lungs to breathe. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आगे.
Dolphins have lungs to breathe. They have blowhole on the head. When come out of water, they take oxygen and again go inside for so many hours. After some time, they again come out to take oxygen and then again go inside the water.
Right, very right, Abhisar. They have blowholes to take the air inside it. They have lungs to breathe. They live in water, but they do not have gills. They have lungs. They have lungs to breathe. Then how do they take in air? They have blowhole on their head. They come out of the water, take the air in, and then again go inside the water and live there for many hours. Right? Next question. Write adaptations of aquatic plants. Mitul. 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 No response from Mitul. Okay, Arshia.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Aquatic plants have small roots or no roots. They have ribbon-like leaves. Their stems are hollow. The floating leaves are large and flat, and they have waxy coating on them. And stomata is either not present or is present on the upper side of the leaves.
and submerged leaves, they have ribbon-like leaves to cut the water current, right? Okay. Then how will you separate pulses and stones? Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am. We will separate pulses and stones by hand-picking method. In this method, hands are used. This method is used to separate two larger components. The quantity of such components is not very large. That's why to separate pulses and rice, hand-picking is the convenient method.
Ipsa, I want to improve it. No doubt, hand-picking method is used. In this method, both the components that you told right, they should not be in large quantity. It should be small in quantity. Number two, there should be difference in the colors of both the components so that you can easily recognize the component that is to be separated out, right? So in case of dal and pulses, stone and pulses, stones, they are of different size and color than of pulses. Easily you can recognize it, and you can, by using hand, you can separate it out, right? How will you make magnetic compass at home? Riddhima.
We need a bowl of water, cork, swing needle, and a compass. Rub the needle 50 times along the magnetic strip of fridge door. Now put the magnetized needle on the cork. Now put both in bowl of water. Swing needle will attach with cork.
राइट अब मैंने यही बताना था, कॉपीज में भी आपने यही आंसर लिखा है, ये आंसर यहाँ खत्म नहीं हो गया। इसके बाद आपने करना है रोटेट द कॉक अगेन, राइट। व्हेन यू रोटेट द कॉक, जो आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है, 2-3 बार आप ये करके देखोगे। अगेन द नीडल विल शो सेम डायरेक्शन, right? It will stop at same direction. It shows that your magnetic compass is ready. Now you have to check whether it is in same direction by using the actual magnetic compass, right? If both the needles point at the same direction, it means it is okay. ये line mention करनी होती है हमें, right? Then okay Ridhima, thank you, right answer. Then draw and label separating funnel, वो हम आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखाते हैं। How will you separate oil and water? Who want to answer? किसकी टर्न नहीं हुई? दृष्टि, दृष्टि।
Oil and water can be separated by decantation method with the help of
दृष्टि में सबसे पहले हम बताएंगे ऑयल एंड वाटर आर इमिसिबल लिक्विड्स। कौन से लिक्विड्स हैं? इमिसिबल लिक्विड्स विच कैन नॉट डिसॉल्व, राइट? अब बोलो।
मैम वो मैंने बाद में लिखा है।
ओके, स्पीक आउट।
Oil and water can be separated by decantation method with the help of separating funnel. Oil and water are two miscible liquids and forms two different layers in separating funnel. Let it stand undisturbed for some time so that they will form two separate layers. Water it will form lower layer and oil it forms upper layer. Now
Right.
open the top cork of the separating funnel and pour out the lower layer of water carefully. Now oil and water are separated out by using separating funnel.
वेरी राइट। लक्ष्य को कुछ डाउट है? अभी हम लक्ष्य से पूछते हैं क्या डाउट है। हाँ जी लक्ष्य, योर डाउट। लक्ष्य बोलिए बेटा।
वही पूछना था कि मैम हमें डिकैंटेशन सेडिमेंटेशन ही लिखना है कि मैम हम ये सेपरेटिंग फनल भी लिख सकते हैं?
बेटे सेडिमेंटेशन कहाँ से आ गई इसमें? ये सिर्फ लिक्विड्स है, लिक्विड में सेडिमेंटेशन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, सिर्फ डिकेंटेशन होगी। डिकेंटेशन हम इसलिए नेम देते हैं क्योंकि इसमें भी हम एक लिक्विड को सेपरेट कर रहे हैं दूसरे लिक्विड से, ठीक है? जैसे हम डिकेंटेशन करते हैं उसी फॉर्म में, सेडिमेंटेशन नहीं होगी इसमें। ओके
ओके मैम।
क्लियर डाउट? चलिए यहाँ पे ये हम ऑयल की लेयर बना देते हैं। ऑयल बीइंग लाइटर इट विल फ्लोट, वाटर बीइंग हैवियर इट इज सेटल्ड हियर। दिस इज ऑयल, this is water, right? So when you open the stopcock, water it will start coming down one by one, drop by drop, and it will be collected here. When whole of the water is poured, oil will be left, right? In this way we can separate out both the components. Is that clear? This is separating funnel. Jasleen is present today? Jasleen. Yes, Jasleen, you were having some doubt. I have to find a participant. Jasleen. Yes, Jasleen. जसलीन बोलो बेटा।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैम जो हमको एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस करवाए थे उसका जो हमें लास्ट क्वेश्चन था कि व्हाई वी सजेस्ट टू कवर अ बर्निंग ऑब्जेक्ट विद अ वूलन क्लोथ. मैम ये वाले क्वेश्चन का मैम आंसर नहीं समझ लग रहा.
दोबारा बोलो क्वेश्चन बेटा.
Why we suggest to cover a burning object with a woolen cloth.
Speak again. I couldn't. Speak again, please.
Why
हाँ.
why we suggest to cover a burning object with a woolen cloth.
सेम रीजन. अगर एक ऑब्जेक्ट बर्न कर रहा है तो उसके ऊपर हम नो हिमालय चलोत्रा, यू आर रॉन्ग हियर. एयर कांट एस्केप का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. बाय रैपिंग द थिंग विद वूलन क्लोथ, what we are doing is we are cutting off the air supply. एयर को कहाँ बाहर जाने से रोकना है हमने? हिमालय हमने बाहर जो एयर है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन है जो कि बर्निंग को सपोर्ट कर रही है, हमने उसको स्टॉप करना है. वी हैव टू स्टॉप द सपोर्ट. To stop that, to stop the air supply, we need to wrap that object with the woolen cloth so that air supply is cut off. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. हरमीत सिंह बोलिए क्या डाउट है आपको? Please raise your hand. I couldn't find you. Wait. Why it is like this? Okay. Harmeet. I couldn't find you, Harmeet. Okay. I am seeing, but I couldn't find you. Just wait. Okay, students. Let us move to another topic. I couldn't find him. Right? I couldn't find her meet. You can send the messages here. Yes. Ipsa, you can send messages. I can see. Okay. Okay, students, let us start. I'm going to draw the diagrams. Separating funnel is done. इसके अलावा we have sedimentation, decantation. How to show sedimentation, decantation? You have to use the scales to draw the straight lines, right? Otherwise, marks will be deducted. Okay. First, you have to show the presence of, this is muddy water. This you can show like this with proper labeling. Then this muddy water is allowed to stand for few hours. When it is allowed to stand for few hours, the heavier impurities, it will settle at the bottom and water will be at the top. This water, this mud, or you can say impurities. Okay, is that clear? This is sedimentation. Now what is decantation? You have got this mixture, you have got this water. After sedimentation, you have to pour it out. How to pour it out? Take one more beaker like this. You have taken a beaker. Now take this beaker, keep the sediments here undisturbed. These are sediments, right? And pour the water gently. Water will be gathered here. This is decantation, right? Is this clear? Is that clear to all? Now, next is filtration. What is filtration? To separate out solid and liquid impurities. Let me show you. You have to draw a funnel like this. This is a funnel. This is a beaker like this, right? Then place a filter paper in it like this. You have placed a filter paper. Okay. Here you have to pour a muddy water like this. This is muddy water or insoluble. थोड़ा सा आप pour करोगे. What will happen? Here the insoluble impurities will get collected and only the water will be passed out. These insoluble impurities are known as residue. Then it is known as filtrate. Got it? This is known as filtrate. Okay. So again doing the labeling. This is funnel. This is insoluble mixture. This is filter paper. इसको you can fix it on a stand. This is a stand where you can fix it. right? Here is a table where you can keep all these things, right? Is that clear? This is the diagram of filtration. ओके अदरवाइज इसके अलावा भी अगर किसी को डाउट होता है यू कैन कॉल मी ओके और यू कैन मैसेज मी आई विल बी discussing your doubts that I told you. In a closed room while burning, answer, this is due to excess of carbon dioxide that may be accumulating in the room. As the burning continues, carbon dioxide make up a large component. Yes, Harmeet Singh, you are right. ठीक है, if burning is there and the room is closed, there will be no more fresh air supply. So जितनी ऑक्सीजन होगी that will be used by us. ठीक है, so due to burning, carbon dioxide is getting released and now there is more amount of carbon dioxide in the air which will suffocate us. Okay, your answer is right. Yes, Savya, you want to show me separating funnel? Okay, let me come to you. Let me come to you. Savya. Yes, Savya. Show me. Yes, Ipsa, क्या डाउट है बेटा? You can send the message. Garish, solubility कैसे affect होती है? On heating, solubility increases, and on cooling, solubility decreases. Right? साव्या, इसको पिन करूं. हाँ जी बच्चे, ये क्या बनाया है? ये ऊपर से गलत है. दिस इज रॉन्ग. सेपरेटिंग फनल ऐसी होती ही नहीं है. ये क्या बनाया आपने? व्हाट इज दिस? ये गलत है. मैंने ऐसी नहीं बनाई सेपरेटिंग फनल. दिस इज रॉन्ग. गॉट इट? ओके. हाँ जी अर्पिता, योर हैंड इज रेज्ड. Arpita, you want to say something? Ipsa, you want to say something? Speak out.
Yes, ma'am. मैम जो हमारा 4th MCQs है उसका जसवीन ने आंसर दिया है मैग्नीशिया, बट मैम उसका मैग्नीज नहीं आएगा आंसर.
No. Magnesium was the name of the boy. Magnesia was the name of the place. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है, where was magnetite discovered first of all? Right?
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I want to confirm my answer in detail second part.
हाँ जी, you can speak.